What's up, you guys? It's your boy Gizmo the Barber. Make sure you follow me on all social media platforms. And today I want to show you how to modify an Andis master blade onto a wall. It's going to be fun. Stay tuned.
These are the tools that I use. I use the bracket off the Andis Masters to line up the holes. Here's the first hole on the 1/8 drill bit. Pliers that I use to hold the bracket with. Doing the second hole. Now here's the Andis Masters blade. I took off the old Andis Masters. Now you have to use the same screws. Now I didn't have a threader, so I used the same 1/8 screws and made his own threader. Now I'm doing the second hole. There you go. Now putting the bracket on. Make sure it fits. Now using the same wahl blade with the Andis Masters blade. Making sure everything's flush. Line it up, zero gap. On, everything looking functional. And old seniors wired, flush. Thank you for watching. Appreciate you.